In Zendesk, merging tickets is a useful feature to consolidate multiple tickets related to the same issue into one, streamlining communication and reducing duplication. Here's how to merge tickets. Identify duplicate tickets. Review your ticket queue to identify duplicate tickets that relate to the same issue or request. Select tickets to merge. Choose the tickets you want to merge. Typically, you will merge duplicate or related tickets into the oldest or most comprehensive ticket. Open Ticket Options. Open the ticket you want to keep as the primary ticket. This will be the ticket where all information is consolidated. Merge tickets. Within the primary ticket, locate the Options or More button. From the drop-down menu, select the Merge option. Choose Secondary Tickets. A window will appear listing other tickets available for merging. Select the duplicate or related tickets you want to merge into the primary ticket. Confirm merge. Once you've selected all relevant tickets, confirm the merge. Zendesk will consolidate the information from the secondary tickets into the primary ticket. Review and update. Review the merged ticket to ensure all relevant information is included. Update the ticket as necessary and communicate any changes to stakeholders.